Let's talk about the most intelligent cat breeds that are known for their problem-solving skills. First up, we have the Siamese. They're not just chatty, they're also quick learners. Next, the Bengal cat. These guys are super curious and love to figure things out. Don't forget the Abyssinian. They thrive on mental challenges and are always up for a game. And we can't overlook the Burmese. They're affectionate and surprisingly trainable. So, which breed do you think would be the smartest companion for you? Let me know if you're considering adding one of these clever kitties to your family.